Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In the previous video we learned how to add integers using number line. Today we are going to learn how to subtract integers using the number line. To do this question, you will start with -2. Where is -2 on the number line? -2 is where you have the red dot. Now this minus at the middle simply means that you should move to the left. How many times are you going to move to the left? You will move once. Now let's move once to the left. You have 1, then you stop. The answer is -3. Okay, so you write -3. If you've gotten any value from this video, please do well to hit the subscribe button. Let's look at the next question. To do this particular question, you write -9 again, then you do minus times minus, that gives you plus. Write the 6 in the bracket, then you start with -9. Where is -9 on the number line? -9 is where you have the red dot. Now this plus at the middle simply means that you should move to the right. How many times are you going to move to the right? You will move 6 times. Now let's move 6 times to the right. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we ended at -3. That means that the final answer to this question is -3. Let's look at the next one. To do this, you have to write 3 again, then you do minus times minus, that gives you plus, then you write the 2 in the bracket. Now start with 3. Where is 3 on the number line? 3 is where you have the red dot. Now this plus at the middle simply means that you should move to the right. How many times are you going to move to the right? You will move 2 times. So let's move 2 times to the right. You have 1 and then you have 2. We ended at 5. That means that the answer to this question is what? 5. Here we've come to the end of this video. If you love my video, do well to hit the subscribe button. Have a great day.